responsiveness. Most responsive middle. Okay. Accessories. Front. That's on one. That's on two.
Alright, go ahead.
Hood. Two.
Alright.
That's a great. Okay, next. We have 90 hours.
Horses.
Hello. The seatbelt check is around the corner. For your safety, remain seated with your seatbelt fastened in your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the vehicle at all times.
La estación de control de cinturones de seguridad está a la vuelta de la esquina. Por su seguridad, mantenga sus manos.
We'll begin with the capability test to see how your vehicle designs perform under challenging weather and surface conditions.
Monitoring road surface. Connected to OnStar. SIM card performance data acquired.
Let's see how your designs hold up now.
Commencing SIM car off-road and extreme weather season. Capability test results displayed and verified.
Now let's see how your vehicles compare when it comes to their efficiency.
You won!
Scanning the SIM card for optimal eco efficiency.
We're gonna win this one. Oh, here you go.
Gauge eco scan for aerodynamic efficiency. Drive systems analysis. Hyperspectral imaging in progress.
Yeah, we lost that one.
Calculating
By a lot.
total enviro impact.
Yeah, we lost that a lot.
Commencing responsiveness test.
Okay, the responsiveness data is now being synchronized.
We're gonna move this up too, I think.
Automated driving technology verified and active. Automated crash avoidance technology disengaged. Displaying responsiveness data.
I got a second.
Here comes the final test.
Energizing forecast test.
Fast one.
Test results.
Oh, we got second.
Sim
Oh, it's a
track
tie.
performance testing complete.